How to set up Brevo SMTP. First, let's sign up for free. Now that we're here, we need to authenticate our domain. So first, let's go to the settings. Let's go to senders, domains, IPs. Let's go to domains and let's add a domain. Once you've done that, create a sender. So let's go to senders, domain, IPs again. And now let's click add a sender. From here, enter the sender name. So from David. Now this is what the recipients will see when they receive emails from the sender. As you can see here, it updates in real time. So let's add a sender. Let's add the sender anyway. And now go to the email that you've just entered and just copy this code and paste it into here. Now get your SMTP credentials. Go to the SMTP and API, then open the SMTP tab. Make sure you click this, activate SMTP. Now get your login, copy the login, and copy the key. And now in the application or website you're trying to send emails from, Brevo only gives you the SMTP credentials. You paste these credentials into your app's SMTP settings. For example, for WordPress, you go to WP Mail, SMTP, Fluent SMTP, Post SMTP, etc. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.